Okay, so we have a check engine light on a Kia Soul 2011. I'm gonna show you what the problem is. Right back. After going to my local AutoZone, we got an error message back, and it told me it was this part, which is called the Canister Purge valve solenoid. Yeah, that's the price. And so we're gonna change that. In order to change that, make sure you turn your car off. It is electrical, so I'm not gonna take the cable loose because I already looked at it. Pre-looked at it, so now I'm gonna change it. Camper is gonna be kind of probably messed up because it's a one-hand man job, so I'll do my best to keep it in focus for you guys. I'm gonna set the camera down while I put on my gloves. Let's see. Alright, now we're gonna change it. I already got my I got my air filter disconnected.
Oh, you talking about that back there?
No, it's back there. It's behind me. I thought about it right now. So you gotta take your hose are loose right here. Y'all can't see it, I'll show you in a minute.
Okay.
Take your air breather off, which I've already loosened. That comes out of the way. And this little canister right here is sitting right here where this electrical connection is. I'll show you a better picture of that in a few seconds.
Let me get on out of the way, let you can do that.
You see that canister right there? That's what's causing the check engine light to come on, cause it's a 2011.
Yeah, okay.
So we're gonna change that out with this one here. Make sure you look at how it's on there, cause you gotta go on the same way it come off. And you see those two retaining clips?
Yeah.
They gotta come off, one on the top and one on the bottom. And that'll take off your check engine light.
If that don't do it, we'll have to change your gas cap.
Okay, guys. Got it off. Reposition my camera again. So you see how it comes with the factory bracket. That bracket just pops off, but there is a nut. There is a nut on here that sits on the throttle body that you got to take off. So you need a 10mm socket to take that off. So I missed that. But this little piece here, all this does, it just slide right off. So the old part, this is your bracket. This is your replacement. You want to make sure before you put it on that it lines up. See, this has 2-pin slider section. Make sure those line up. That's the most important thing. Without those, you're out of water. Okay. Time to put this bracket back on. Alright, came on. Bracket sits on just like that. Now, the easiest thing, go ahead and put your top hose in, then your bottom one. Cause we gotta wiggle around with the top one to get it off. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Small hole is way down here. Yeah, that's on. Then your bottom hose. Well, let me do the clamps first. These clamps is not easy to get on. Get off. Ain't gonna be easy to get on though. And that's on. I use needle nose pliers. I didn't use channel locks for this one. Or regular pliers. Sorry though. The audio man went to school to work today, so. I disconnect the battery. Now I'm gonna restart it up. And voila. There you have it, people.